What's going on, everyone? We just picked up a package from Amazon, and boy, oh boy, is it time. Some of you guys that have been watching my live stream, there was this mention of an issue with my actual gaming controller. So the current Xbox One gaming controller that I have, let's just say that one of the buttons, let's just say it's not working as it should. When I was playing Call of Duty, I was trying to go in for a sprint to get away from an enemy to a safe location, so that way I can reload and engage in some activity with the enemy. When I attempted to sprint, well, that sprint wasn't there. It felt like I had no sprint in me. Felt like that was tired. I've been sprinting all day. And that's when I basically discovered that the sprint button on the Xbox One controller, well, let's just say push the button down to sprint, and it's supposed to come up to release it, but that function is not working. Our current Xbox One controller, she's broken. She's broken. Let's head home and see exactly what's going on with this new controller to see how well it is. Cause I tell you, man, I'm itching to get back in the zone, baby. I'm itching to get back in the zone and doing some live streams. So stay tuned. This is delicious, man. Welsh juice full mixed fruit. This is delicious. You guys need to seriously try this out. You will not regret it. I'm telling you, this is one of the ultimate gaming snacks that you need to put in your gaming toolbox, aka little mini fridge. I definitely do plan on doing something like that eventually. Probably set myself up a little mini fridge. Get a little closer. Get a little closer. Keep it on a down low that I got snacks in a mini fridge hidden from the kids. Keep it on the down low that the kids don't even hear us. That we have snacks hidden in a mini fridge. Don't let them hear that. I can't wait, man. I'm gonna put this video out ASAP. So that way I can enjoy a game of Call of Duty, and y'all gonna be right there with me. I'm trying to tell y'all gonna be right there with me. Currently, for my gaming rig, as you can see to the far right, what I'm using is this Xbox One Amazon Basics controller. And let me say, this thing is absolutely amazing. It's comfortable, and it's easy to use. Absolutely easy to use. And since I am accustomed to the Xbox One console, it's like my hands it's just morphed into a Xbox One position. Like my hands is just like morphed into it, that if I try a different controller, it's just like, it doesn't feel right. I have to use a Xbox One controller on my gaming rig. No doubts, this Xbox One Amazon Basic controller had absolutely phenomenal reviews, so I just had to order it. It still works perfectly fine, except for the fact that this particular button right here, you're supposed to be able to press it down and then it pops up. Press down, pops up. Now in Call of Duty Warzone, this button, the way that my controller is currently set up, this button is actually your sprint button. My issue is that this button will not, it's pressed and it will not release. Like if I pull it up, it will come up, but as soon as I press it back down, it stays down. These buttons are known to get sticky and stuck, which this is stuck. I tried to massage it, in and out, pull it up, down, to kind of break whatever might be blocking it, but it's no blockage. It's just that the functionality is broken. And more so, I'm the one to blame, because when I'm in a war zone, oh, trust me, I'm hitting these buttons. Get them! I'm hitting the buttons. I'm in the zone, baby. I broke it. It's broken. So when I play Call of Duty Warzone, I am absolutely running full speed all the time until the player gets tired out, then runs again, tire out, run again, tire out. So when I actually need to utilize the sprint, it's not there. Say, hey everybody, subscribe.
Don't try.
Say, hope you guys enjoy the game.
Hold us in.
See what we got. Oh yeah, let me not. I forgot I got another package in the package. So let me not just open up anyway. So I got these kids tattoos for my kids. Fake tattoos. I don't even know if I should show you guys this controller. Golly. Blue is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. Check that bad boy out right there. This port right here, which, you know, a lot of people know that's a audio port for headphones and mic. This particular button in the middle, that's to adjust the volume for the headphones. This thing is beautiful. This thing is beautiful. I know you guys are actually want to see it and not see the box, so you see it now. Let's take it out the box. Oh man, this color is awesome. I'm horrible when it comes to opening up boxes. I'm absolutely horrible. And the thing is like when it comes to these stickers, I take a lot of energy. It takes a lot of energy to get these bad boys off. Golly. Whatever stickers that they use, like whatever company makes these stickers, they are in some serious competition with 3M, because they definitely got it over 3M. Like these things, they be so sticky. I'm telling you, it's much stickier than a 3M Velcro tape, because you got to use some force to get these things off of here. Come on now, goodness gracious. They put the sticker on both sides. Bam, bam, and bam, right here. Come on, man. Yo. Yeah. They know exactly who I was. They was like, oh, that's Mr. Jones. Okay, we're gonna put 3 stickers on it. Shucks. I've seen, you know, 1 or 2, but 3? Oh yeah, y'all did this on purpose. On purpose. This is our micro USB cable. It's 10 foot. Okay, so this is perfect for anybody that wants to still be able to play from their couch or bed. 10 foot. That should get the job done. That's a smooth, matte surfaced. Smooth. No clear coat, just smooth. Somewhat like suede. That is nice. This is amazing. This is simply amazing. Whenever you see wired, that means it's strictly wired, okay? Which should be perfect for computer. You guys that play Call of Duty from the PC and using a keyboard and mouse, you are playing dangerously. You're risking your life. Because when you're playing against somebody that has a gaming controller, that trigger button is easily accessible, and that movement easily doable. With the mouse and keyboard, you gotta nah. It's old technology, guys. Come on now. Prehistoric technology that you're using. You gotta cut that out. It's not good. Take this from the back of my monitor. This is a 2.0. Whenever you see that white indicator, represents that this is a 2.0 USB device. Gotta be careful when you connect these to a 3.0 slot, because sometimes some devices that are 2.0, they'll start to spaz out with the power and they may not efficiently work. Oh boy, gone, but not forgotten. We're gonna connect our micro USB cable to the back of this controller here. Okay, you hear Windows just installed it. So it says we're setting up Xbox Series X wired controller. What? This is Xbox One Series X? and it says Xbox Series X wired controller. Blue is ready to be used. What? I gotta be real with you guys. This thing is excellent. I absolutely love the design and the blue, man. I tell you, that blue is fire. Fire. I was not actually anticipating for this to come back as a Xbox Series X controller. I was just, anticipating this would be just a Xbox One. That's what I was thinking. But no, it's a little bit more than that. There are 3 additional buttons on the back of which you can utilize for doing custom mappings. So you got a button here, AGL left, AGL R for right, and then you have a middle button right here. So there's 3 additional buttons that you can map for your game. I am still unsure what this button is. I want to say it's like an upload button, like how the PS4 has like a upload button. But this is nice. I mean, you get to see the Call of Duty interact with it. This is absolutely nice. I'm gonna give you a preview of me playing the game Call of Duty with this Xbox One Series X controller. This is a wired controller. Again, this is a wired controller. All right. Get into the zone. Get into the zone. So one thing, these buttons, they kind of stand in the way when playing, because I feel like I keep pressing them. Definitely when I have my hand here, definitely feel like I keep pressing them.
Your primary objective is to kill them all. Enemy helo!
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, the teammate. Hold on. Don't die. What the heck? Where the heck are you? Dude, I don't even know. I don't even know how to get to you. I do not even know how to get to you. You know what? Let me just get some money so I can bring you guys back in. Because I truly don't know. Alright, I'm buying him back. Ah, he quit on us. Ah, that sucker. This dude quit. Alright, it's just you and me. Hold on,
Enemy dropping into the AO. Gas is moving.
Yeah, so far it's still looking good. Alright, I'm gonna head downstairs. Yeah. Let me see. I might be able to buy you back. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it says.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
Oh crap. We got a lot of people here.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
Alright.
You're the last one on your team. Finish the job.
Oh shit.
Aid station here. Gas is inbound. Mark the new safe zone. They have me sighted.
Wait a minute. I could have sworn I just seen something.
station here.
See if you can find another. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get here.
You've got gas moving in.
Oh, they're trying to go after that most wanted guy. Yeah, I got a guy. Yeah, I see.
Enemies in the area. In the area.
Oh, you about to go for him too? Oh, dude, I don't think that's a smart thing right there. I had to do it. They had me anyway. I had to do it. There was one behind. Oh, two behind. Jeez. So far, this controller right here, I absolutely love it. But if you actually map these buttons on the back, you're gonna find yourself pressing these buttons because they're just like right here on the comfort zone of the controller. You see? They're like right there. It's like when you grab it, you're not gonna hold it like this. You see? It's like you basically got this finger on the bottom. Like that's not comfortable. You want to do like this. You want to actually hold the controller. Catch what I'm saying? So if you actually map those buttons right there, it's gonna be a constant battle of pressing them. But me, I have no reason to map them. So it's okay for me. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you are a subscriber to my channel, I appreciate it. If you are not a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, if you're pretty much about to make a purchase of a new controller for your gaming console or computer, please be sure to drop a comment and I will respond. Take it easy. Peace.